So this is the magic link. When you click on this magic link, you get to this asset claim NFT page, and here you will be asked to connect wallet and claim NFT. Start with connect wallet and claim NFT. It will take you through a MetaMask installer if you don't have the installer already into the Chrome. Click on install MetaMask for Chrome. It will create an extension and it will be added to the Chrome. Once you add an extension to the Chrome, that Chrome extension will be visible in the extension box here, right? So now you get started with the MetaMask. This is your first wallet for Web3 wallet and entry into the NFT world. So this wallet is a very popular wallet where you can actually store your crypto assets, virtual digital assets, I would say. Always allow and agree. So you will let's get set it up for the first time here. Create a wallet. So here I will give a 8 characters. I am giving a password here. Okay, I agree. Create a password. So here you have created the wallet, and before getting started, watch this short video to learn about the secret phrase and how to keep your wallet safe. So this video will tell you how to keep the video. After you see the video, you can simply reveal the secret words here. Okay. I will do it later. You can ideally save the secret words for later part of it. So now my wallet is ready. So I'm connected to Ethereum mainnet, and this is how the wallet is connected. Now